This tutorial demonstrates how to use the Renesas Starter Kit Plus for RX65N 2MB evaluation kit and the DA14531 Pmod module to control LED lighting from a smartphone via Bluetooth Low Energy communication. Set up an RSK RX65N project and launch the Smart Configurator. Open the Components tab and add the module that controls the DA14531. Select the BLE DA14531RX module you added, and then select the SCI channel you want to use. Configure the pins of the DA14531 Pmod module. Select the RSCI-RX module and configure the UART settings. Click the Generate Code button to generate the code. Use QE for BLE to create a custom profile. Open the Custom Profile Editing view and select the project and the BLE module you want to use. Right-click the profile node and add a new service. Set the name of the service and the abbreviation used in the source files. Next, right-click on the created service to add a new characteristic. Configure the characteristic properties and define the data. Open the Peripheral tab and set the device name in Advertising Data. Click the Generate Code button to generate the source code. Add code to call the generated function app_main. Configure the LED port on the RSK RX65N. Add code to blink the LED in the callback function of the created service. Refer to the release notes of QE for BLE version 1.7.0 and adjust the generated code accordingly. Open our BLE serves.if.c and add code to allocate and free memory for the arguments of the BLE gets getData function. Locate other lines where the BLE getData function is called and add the code in the same way. Build the project. Start debugging and run the program. Install the Gap Browser application published by Renesas on your smartphone. Launch the app, locate the device whose name is set in Advertising Data, and tap the blue icon on the right to connect. After connecting, tap the characteristic row. Enter 01 in the text input area below the right button, and then tap the right button. LED 0 on the RSK RX65N lights up in response to the communication from the smartphone.